What's up, guys? So I've done a few how to heel flip videos on this channel. I even did a how to fakie heel flip video not too long ago, but I want to make this the fastest, simplest how to heel flip video. So for the heel flip, it's a little bit different than the kick flip. You're flipping the opposite way. You got your back foot right in the middle of the tail. If you're first learning, you don't want to put it too far back, just right in the middle. Front foot at a slight angle behind the front bolts, and you are popping and you're flicking right about here. You're flicking straight out this way. You want to really suck your front foot up and suck both your feet up so you have time to get the board all the way around. You want to be leaning back with all your weight on your butt back here behind the board so that you can stay over the board. If you're having any particular problem with the heel flip, I go into more detail in that fakie heel flip video that I recently did about all the problems that you could have. But this video, I'm keeping it simple and basic and just talking about how to do it. So yeah, I think about keeping my weight over my front shoulder and front foot and then my butt. I have a lot of weight in the back, leaning back a lot because I tend to land in front. Flick it fast, pop it, and flick it really fast. Have enough energy. This is a trick that takes a little more energy than a kick flip or a tray flip, in my opinion. After really pop it, flick it, wait for it to come around, catch it. The whole thing has to happen really quick. It tends to land this way a lot for me. That's just the way I'm flicking. So yeah, just think about staying over the board, flicking really fast, and you'll get the heel flip. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder. Maybe I'll have a good video one day. You don't know. If you think that's possible, stay tuned for that. Subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment, all that stuff. Thanks for watching.